You know what that happy sound is? Yes, that is Ben, the Battery Baron, the bad boy Battery Boy, who is sporting some sunglasses. Ben,
Oh, yeah, what do you think?
is your future so bright you have to wear shades?
Exactly. That's the hope, yeah.
Well, what's
So,
going on?
Well, you hear the term smart glasses, and it's kind of scary, right? You know,
Yes.
do they have cameras? Are they recording? Are they listening? But these aren't Ray-Ban stories, made with Facebook, any other kind of AR, VR glasses right now. These are supposed to solve a problem. What if I don't want to carry around sunglasses and my wireless earbuds? I know, very first world, but yeah. They've actually been around for a few years from like companies like Bose and some others. Well, these are from Anker Soundcore, and these just came out last month, and they're called the Soundcore Frames. So, not headphones or not earbuds. They have two speakers on the inside of each one, like one in front of your ear, one behind your ear. They have dual microphones for phone calls, 5.5 hours on a charge. Biggest difference for these, though, that how they're different from others, is that let's say you get tired of the style. You don't want to go out and spend another $200 on a different set of audio sunglasses.
Right.
Well, you buy your first set, you pick your style, and it comes with these temples. They're removable. So if you get tired of, going Top Gun, then you just pick a different style, like the
Oh,
Harbor,
let me see.
or
So
yeah,
how
let's see,
so how much
or the
so how much are each different style?
$50.
Oh, all right. $50. That's not bad.
How's that?
All right. That looks good. That looks really good.
So they're all polarized, and you even have an option for one that's not sunglasses that you can actually take to your optometrist if you want to have them turned into
Oh,
prescription lenses.
really? Because you know what? I was going to ask that because I have to wear prescription sunglasses. And if it looks weird that I'm looking off to the side, I can't see. I have to look this way in order to see you. So
Gotcha.
that's why it's like, why is she looking this way? Okay, no, I have to look this way to see Ben. All right. So what do you think?
Well, okay, setup was actually easy. I mean, you connect them like you do anything else, pair them with your phone, you put them on, and they're supposed to just come right on.
Okay.
Or you can just push the sides, turn it on. Anyway,
They look
there were
good
a lot
on you,
more
Ben.
settings. Well, thank you. There
Okay.
were more settings in the app than I thought. Like you can totally customize the EQ. They have this open surround that's supposed to make it sound like a concert. All kinds of settings. You can set up how the controls work, like swipe to change the song or to turn up the volume, double tap to answer a call, all kinds of things like that.
Okay. So can other people hear the music?
That's the drawback. So they have a privacy mode that's supposed to kind of like kill out the back speakers and make it to where only you can hear it. But if you're in a quiet room and you've got somebody like within 6 feet, they're still going to be able to hear what you're listening to. I mean, yeah, these aren't headphones, so there's going to be that sound leakage. I mean, if you're walking around in a public place or whatever, not really around people, nobody's going to hear it. But if you're at home, even within earshot of somebody, and you have it at a moderate volume, yeah, they're going to hear it. Phone call, music, whatever else. So that's the drawback.
Now, what about battery
of something
life?
like this. I haven't run it out. It's supposed to get 5.5. I've spent easy 2 with them just turned on, like outside listening to them. I've only had to charge them once, and it doesn't take long to charge. They've actually got this kind of neat charger. So you fold it up, and a little magnetic charger just connects to these 2 points right here.
Oh, nice.
So,
That's good.
yeah.
That's nice. Okay, so but it's a different experience than having the earbuds, right? I mean,
It
do you
is.
like it? Do you like it or not?
I like it, but it's going to be one of those things like if you're outside a lot, or like I said, you get tired of having to carry those things. It's more for someone like that. I still prefer, for me personally, having the separation. I like, picking the earbuds I like and picking the sunglasses I like. And the fact that these have choices is nice. But it's not going to solve just a big problem for just a large number of people. It's
You know
a
what?
pretty specific
Ben?
product.
Ben, I need to. Barry's and the dog is right outside the door.
Okay,
So hold on, let's hold that thought. I'll be right back.
sure. Okay.
The joys of working from home. Hey, Ben, talk to him about Tech
And live.
Refresh.
What's that? Tech Refresh. Okay, yeah. So I'll talk about Tech Refresh. If that's a podcast that Kim and myself and Ali Seligman are all part of, we do once a week. If you don't subscribe, please do. We have a great time recording it each week. Different topics, news, tech tips. Try to stump each other with real headlines versus fake. Try to guess which one is real. All kinds of things like that. But it's a lot of fun. And I also come on with some reviews. Some of the things I've come on with the show, other things that are more the Tech Refresh exclusive. So if you have the chance, please come on. Give us a listen. Say you like it. And we have a new one this week, as a matter of fact.
My God.
Actually, Ben, we're putting up the video that you guys record of Tech Refresh for community.
That's
it
right.
started this week, so the first episode's
Very
up there.
first time.
We'll try to get
Yes,
those
we
up
are
there
all
on
on
Wednesdays
camera.
and Thursdays. You can see behind the scenes.
Yes, behind the
Okay.
scenes. Brand new
All right,
feature of it.
Yes, and so did you talk about how Barry just came in when I was doing Tech Refresh? Oh my gosh.
No, I figure I'll say that for you.
Okay, so you have to watch Tech Refresh because this working from home thing is getting so old. I'm just letting you all know right now, I'm tired of the airplanes, the dog barking, Barry just opening the door while I'm doing the show. Like I'm not doing anything. Just in here doing online shopping. I don't know. And I'm like, okay. So just now he's having a complete phone call right outside the door here. And,
Don't worry about the
so-
trenchers and the weather stations.
Oh, yes. So anyway, so in probably about a month, okay, then Ben, we'll go finish it up your review. About a month, this whole Santa Barbara thing is going to change because I went and bought a Whisper Room, and it's a padded box. Okay. Do you still hear him? I still hear him talking. Do you?
I'm not picking it up on my side. Maybe Jeremy is.
I'm not hearing it in my headphones right now, but
That's good.
All right. That's important. All right, Ben. So anyway, your review. Back to your review. How much are they?
Oh, yeah. Well,
How much are they, and how many Ben heads do you get?
yeah.
Give it.
Well, they're 200. Like I said, for that initial set, you pick your frames. It comes with the temples, and then it's on par with like the bows and some of the others. What makes these different, though, are the fact that you can get the different styles for 50. Now, like I said, kind of not for everyone. You really have to want something like this to solve that problem. I like them. It's not something that I would just I feel, solves a problem in my day-to-day. Just I work from home and everything. But still, I like them. But for the usability factor and just, how much I would use them and how much I wouldn't, 3 out of 5 Ben heads for that.
Okay. Well, I know since Ian doesn't watch the show, I got him the Bose ones.
Oh, yeah.
But the Bose sunglasses with the speakers, I got that for him for Christmas. Now, okay, why did I get that for him? Okay, because he walks his neighborhood, and he does a lot of walking and hiking and stuff. So I thought, and I'm the mother that's worried of with the earbuds, he has it on noise cancellation. He's not going to hear anything behind him. So when I was on my credit card rewards page, if you want to know the whole truth, it was like, okay, so you have all these points. And so I'm like, oh, bing, ching. And I got him that off the credit card rewards. So anyway, I'll let you know if he actually wears them. I don't know if he will. If he doesn't, you'll see me sporting the Bose.
Well, see, that's good, though. You said he's outside a lot. That's what these are good for. Other people can hear them, yes. But if you're outside, you got those on, you can still hear things around you, like cars coming up from behind.
Yes, that's
So-
what so I wanted to get that so he could get that car, he would hear the car behind him. So, because I'm just, being a mom, that parent never stops. All right, Ben, I'm sorry that we interrupted your great review.
That was fun.
Okay, and Tech Refresh. Yes, watch the video for Tech Refresh. Where is it inside the Commando community? Are we going to put it on YouTube too, Jeremy?
no, it's in the Commando community for members only. If they go up to watch, there's a Tech Refresh section, and they can see the
Did they
first
just hear
video.
you say that?
Yep,
Oh,
they can hear
okay.
me too.
All All right, perfect. So go ahead and watch it, and then you'll get to experience what it's like when we do these podcasts. Really, what really happens when we do these podcasts. It's a lot of fun. Hey, Ben, great review. Great job on Tech Refresh as always. And then if you want to learn more about this, you're going to write it up for the website at some point this week, next week?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep,
all right.
It's just about ready now.
All right, awesome. All right, thanks, Ben.
All right. Thanks, Ken.